Alright, so today we're going to unbox the ILIFE V5s. This is a robotic vacuum cleaner. Supposed to be a good one. Let's see what inside. Just got it on Amazon. It's a nice box, well packed. Although mostly everything here in Chinese, as you can see. And we have a box inside a box. Alright. So that's the ILIFE. And that's the Beatles series. Let's try not to damage the sticker. Alright. So ILIFE, just a carton, user manual, and we have the remote here. I wonder if the batteries are included. No batteries. Okay. And what is this? We'll go over the parts later. Let me just open it so you can see. Oh, this is where you put water. And again, everything in Chinese. That's the power adapter. And here we have, I suppose, I would say this is the filter, but we'll know in a second. I don't know what this is for. Probably this is the mop. Let's put it here. And then we have the robot itself. Ooh. Okay, so ooh, we got batteries. Well done, ILIFE. Well done. So that's the robot itself. Very nice. Oh, so we have another one here, just in case. Very nice, very nice. Looks new. Okay. And what else do we have here? So we have a brush, probably to clean the unit. And we have these extra thingies, I don't know what they call them. This is for the right side and the left side. And we have the charging unit. Okay, so this one goes here. So, let's open the user manual and see what we have here and what every part is. So that's the main body. That's the charging home base. That's the remote control. Battery not included, although they did add batteries to the box, so we're good. The adapter, which is here, and 5 is the cleaning tool, which is the brush, and the user manual and extra side brushes. We have 2 of them, right side and left side. Make sure you see the letters here. This is right and this one is left. And number 8 is extra HEPA filter. I wonder what HEPA is. But this is number 8. That's the HEPA filter. Alright. So that's the bumper. That's the clean button. And that's the middle cover. Let's try to eject it. Alright, so this is for dust. Oh, so the HEPA filter goes here and you get another one. So it goes here inside and you open it and then you empty the dust, the garbage. And if you want to wash the floor, then you use this one. You put water inside and then you put it inside and you're good to go. So let me just show you to you closer. So that's the robot. And these are the side brushes. As you can see here, this one is the right side and that's the left side. And we have the wheels. Looks nice. Alright, let's try to plug it in. And let's just change the cartridge here and use the one for the dust. That's it. Yeah. Alright. So I would say all we have to do is to plug it in and let it work. Okay, so let me just move the camera so you can see what I'm doing. And this one goes here. And now it's charging. Make some noises. I don't know what that means. Let's try to press the clean button. So I guess the batteries are empty, so it's not gonna work. So let's give it some time and try again later. Alright, so the reason it was beeping, apparently there is a power button here which I didn't see, and frankly speaking I didn't look for one because as soon as I put it in the charging station it started beeping and there were these blue lights, so I assumed it's already on. But apparently you have to press this button and turn it on, and you can also charge it directly instead of using the docking station. Anyhow, so now it's charging, and I'm gonna use the remote just to show you what it looks like when it starts cleaning. So I'm gonna press the clean button, and we got it working. Also, let's see if it goes on the carpet. Yeah, it looks like it does it pretty well. And now we're gonna try to put it back in the charging station using the remote. So I'm gonna push the home button. Now it's gonna go all the way back to the charging station. Come on, dude, you can do that. Alright, you're almost there, buddy. Looks like it's gonna work this time. And there you go. Charging itself. Let's try again. Now let's click on the button on the robot itself. Very cute. It's not noisy at all. Thought it's gonna be louder. Okay, little buddy, go back to your home. I wonder how it knows where home is. Yep. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed it. And we're gonna talk again when we get another product that we're going to unbox and review. Take care, cheers, bye.